Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Stella, and today we are going to talk about why native speakers really say, "I'm down."
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Stella, have you ever heard someone say, "I'm down"?
Yes, many times. I hear it in movies, TV shows, and conversations.
Me too. It is a very common English expression.
That is true, but many learners misunderstand it.
Exactly. Some learners think it means someone is sad.
Yes, because the word down can mean sad.
That's right.
So the phrase can be confusing.
Today, we will explain the real meaning in a very simple way.
Great. I think many learners will enjoy this topic.
Stella, imagine your friend sends you a message.
Okay,
Your friend says, "We're going for pizza tonight."
sounds fun.
Then another friend replies, "I'm down."
This is a common situation.
Does that friend mean he is sad?
No, not at all.
Then what does it mean?
It means count me in.
Very good.
It can also mean I'm interested
Correct.
or I'd like to join.
Exactly.
So it is actually a positive phrase.
That's right.
It means someone wants to participate.
Let's look at another example.
Great idea.
Your friend says, "We're watching a movie tonight."
Then I can say, "I'm down,"
Perfect.
meaning I'd love to join.
Exactly.
Here's another example.
Go ahead.
My friend says, "Want to play football this weekend?"
What would you reply?
I'm down,
Excellent.
meaning yes, let's do it.
Correct.
It sounds natural and friendly.
Very natural.
Native speakers use it all the time.
Especially with friends.
And classmates, too.
And coworkers sometimes.
That's true.
Let's try one more example.
Okay.
A friend says, "Let's try a new restaurant."
Then I can say, I'm down,
Perfect.
meaning sounds good to me.
Exactly.
Now, let's learn some English.
Sounds good.
I'm down is an informal expression.
Informal means casual and relaxed.
Very good.
Native speakers use it in everyday conversations.
Let's compare some phrases.
Okay.
I am interested.
Correct, but more formal.
I'm down.
Casual and natural.
Count me in.
Also casual and friendly.
Excellent.
Learners can use all three.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Great.
Repeat after me. I'm down.
I'm down.
Very nice.
I'm down.
Excellent.
It sounds easy to say.
Let's use it in sentences.
Okay.
Let's go to the beach this weekend.
I'm down.
Want to watch a movie tonight?
I'm down.
Let's order some pizza.
I'm down.
Excellent.
I think listeners can use it now.
I agree.
One more thing.
What's that?
Sometimes down by itself can mean sad,
That's true.
but I'm down is usually different.
Context is very important.
Exactly.
Now we have a question for our listeners. If your friend says, "Let's go to the beach this weekend," what would you reply? You can try using today's phrase. Please write your answer in the comments. We would love to read your answers. And if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps our channel grow. Today we learned that "I'm down" does not mean someone is sad. It usually means count me in or I'd like to join. It is a simple phrase, but native speakers use it a lot.
Yes, and now you can use it too.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.